In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Stripe for recurring payments and payment plans. We will walk through this process step by step, so by the end, you'll be well equipped to set up recurring payments using Stripe. Let's get started. First things first, head over to Stripe's website at stripe.com. It's their official site where you'll be performing all the necessary actions to configure your recurring payments. Once you're on the homepage, look for the sign in button. It typically sits at the top right corner of the page. Give it a click to move forward. Now you'll need to enter your login credentials. Input your email and password you used when you set up your Stripe account. If you've misplaced your login information, don't worry. Stripe provides password recovery options as well. After you've entered your details, click the Sign In button to access your account. Stripe usually incorporates an additional layer of security with a two-factor authentication step. You may be prompted to enter a code sent to your registered device or email, so check your messages or whichever authentication method you've opted for. Enter that code promptly to get access to your dashboard. Once logged in, you should find yourself on the Home dashboard. Locate and click on the Billing section from the menu options. Within Billing, you'll want to focus on Subscriptions. This is where you can manage existing subscriptions or set up new ones. Select Subscriptions and you'll be taken to a new page where you can start creating or managing your subscription plans. Now let's set up a new recurring payment. Begin by entering the customer's name or email. This will identify the client associated with the subscription. It's important to have accurate information here to ensure the invoices are correctly directed. Next, you'll determine the duration of the plan. This could be monthly, annually, or any custom period that fits the needs of your business. After defining the duration, add the product or service connected to this subscription. This step ensures that the correct item is billed to the customer. Once you've established the product, set its price. Pricing should reflect any taxes, fees, or discounts applicable, ensuring clear communication of costs to your customer. You're almost done. Now decide when the billing cycle will start. Is it immediately upon creation or a specified future date? Choosing this wisely can help in managing your cash flow more effectively. Select a payment method for the customer. This could include credit cards or other payment services integrated with Stripe. Double check everything, and once you're satisfied, click Create to finalize the subscription setup. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a recurring payment plan using Stripe. Remember, you can manage these subscriptions at any point, making adjustments as necessary to suit your business needs. Thank you for watching, and happy billing.